Hello everyone, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. The recipe for these squares that I'm sharing with you today has been in the family for a number of years. It's called Dad's Favorite Squares. These are really easy and delicious, and they're no bake. So you just go ahead and mix them up, make them into squares or into small balls that are bite-sized pieces, and simply chill them until they're set. Okay, so sounds good enough. Let's go ahead and start making these. So we'll start by preparing a few simple ingredients, just like usual. Lightly grease a 9x6-inch cake pan. Take 1 cup of shredded or flaked sweetened coconut and spread it over the bottom of the pan. And of course, kind of spread that out evenly. Then set that aside and take out a large mixing bowl. And then we'll add about 6 cups of mini marshmallows. Then go ahead and add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. It's about 300 mils or 1 1/4 cup. Just stir it long enough to coat the marshmallows a little bit. So on to preparing some walnuts and some maraschino cherries. So that'll be about a 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts. Once again, give it a little bit of a stir. Now I take the cherries and I drain them on a paper towel. I count out about 25 or 26 of these maraschino cherries. Just simply chop them in half. You can chop them in quarters if you'd like the cherries to be smaller. These add lots of color and lots of flavor, so it's really nice to have quite a few in there. Go ahead and stir those in and mix them until they're well coated. And this mixture is a little bit sticky right now, but don't worry about that. We're going to thicken that up with a little bit of graham wafer crumbs. And I add about 3/4 cup of these and stir them until they're well combined. Next, you'll just add that in on top of the coconut that's in your cake pan. Spread that out until it's even, and I use a smaller spoon to sort of help with that. Then just go ahead and add another cup of coconut on top and sprinkle it out evenly. They'll have to be put in the fridge to chill, and it'll probably take an hour or 2 before they're set. But if you wanted to roll them into balls, I would just take the mixture and add just a little bit more of the graham wafer crumbs, just so they're not quite so sticky, and then form them into small bite-sized pieces and roll them into a ball and roll them in some coconut, and there you go. Or you can take some plain batter without any cherries in it if you wanted to do it that way, and put a whole maraschino cherry in the middle and then close it in, and it'll be like a little surprise in the middle. So again, roll it in coconut and you'll have some bite-sized pieces that are really great snacks that way too. They need to be set in the fridge, and they need to be stored in the fridge in an airtight container. And they'll last for quite a while in the fridge, and they also freeze well. And thank you so much for your support of this channel. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And just a gentle reminder that my cookbook's available on Amazon, and I have provided quick links in the description below this video. And also the Crown of Purple is available, and I have provided a quick link for that as well. Thanks for watching the video all the way through. You'll probably say at this point, what's with all the flowers? Well, I love flowers. And being from Canada, I found out Tim Hortons cups make great vases. And because of my passion for flowers, I do include them in my videos once in a while. I also like really nice cars, so maybe some of those will be next. So I hope you like and go ahead and make this recipe. And until next time, happy eating.